Here are Abby and her puppies. Let's see if we can... Hey, Ariana. That's Ariana. These guys are busy. Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. Hey. And there's Delta. Hi. Hey. That's my husband you hear in the background, calling some of the other dogs to play with. Okay, let's see. Maybe what we'll do is take Abby out of there. Sorry, Abby. Maybe we'll take you out for a minute so we can get some puppy shots, hey? There's little Delta. Oops. That was a real close-up, Abby. Yeah, that was a real close-up. I know you're wondering what I'm doing, right? Don't worry about your babies. There we go. Here's Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. These guys are going to want to play with me instead of looking at the camera, I think. Hi, Delta. There's Delta and Coco going in the crate with Mom. This is how the puppies learn that the crate isn't a scary place. They go in there and curl up with Mom. And of course our little guys are used to them. Right, Abby? Ariana, that toy's almost as big as you are. Coco. Hey, Coco. Come out of the crate. Oh, what a good puppy. What a good puppy. Let's see if we can get down here. Are you guys getting sleepy? Are you guys getting sleepy? No? Oh, there, Coco's got it. Get it, Coco, get it. Get it. Oh, there it go. Okay. Okay, we're gonna run. Right, we gotta go get Hannah's puppies on the video too. Yeah, go get some video of them.